How to verify OKX account. So if you want to verify OKX account, then first make sure to install the application and make sure to sign up or log into your account. And then open up your OKX. Once you've opened, now here on the first, you will have verify now option. So you've signed up, right? So now to make a deposit, you just need to verify. So simply tap on verify now. And then here you will have all of the information that you will need to verify your account. To comply with regulations, we need to verify your identity. Doing so helps secure your account and helps you to access our services. So you'll receive rewards when you're done. You'll need to provide ID and selfie verification and personal information. So tap on verify now and then choose your country and region and then select the type of ID that you have and tap on next, and it will take you to the next kind of interface where you need to make sure you to capture and complete the image. So you just need to simply enter image of your ID card. So simply tap on start verification and make sure that your image should not be cropped, glare or blurry. So tap on start verification and then you need to upload your national ID card. Once you've entered that, you need to enter some personal information like your name, address and everything. And once you enter that, you will be able to verify your OKX account. So in this way you can verify, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.